Welcome to the Transform Sales Podcast, where forward-thinking business leaders come to share their experiences and ideas, learn from each other, and amplify their results together.
Cool. There I am. How are you guys doing? All right, we got 4 people today. So guys, I wanted to show up today because I'm going to be showing up every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 6 to 7:30. Today, just FYI, I'm looking at the live chat so I could see everybody's comments, and I'll do my best because Danny Aguadella, my teammate, decided that it was Labor Day. And he didn't want to show up. But this format, great if you guys ask questions, right? I'm still looking for the right format. Just FYI, I'm using StreamYard, streaming to LinkedIn Live. It's got its pros and its cons. Its pros is that it's live. The con is that not everybody is, not everybody's here with me. David messaged me, yes. Can you hear me? I'm doing technical support at the same time. Oh yeah, Dave can hear me perfectly. Awesome. So I'm gonna jam out every day, guys. Whether there's 4 people, 1 person, 10,000 people, I don't care. I'm gonna be here every single day. Quick introduction, guys. I like to start from scratch just in case people are wondering what this is, what we are, who we are, right? So CloudTask is the next top towel. They're a $1 billion company. We look up to them. 2-sided marketplace focused on go-to-market, RevOps, and AI-powered talents. What does that mean, you guys might ask? Well, GTM, sales, operations, RevOps, marketing, data. These are all departments under go-to-market. They touch revenue, and there are over 120 different job titles, lots of variations: sales development rep, business development rep, account executive, sales manager, HubSpot email marketing expert, Clay GTM expert. Titles mean different things to different people. Titles can mean different salary ranges in different places, and that's kind of what we're going to help you out here, especially in these classes. Really understand there's going to be different people, people that are tenure experts that know exactly what to do, who they want to work for, people that are new and started, people that have been in sales for 15 years but have been using one dial at a time and not using AI technology and want to level up and learn technology, right? So all these sessions are designed to be live working sessions with the purpose of ultimately getting you hired. And I'm going to show you guys really quickly. Add file. I don't want to add a file. Everything's harder for my laptop. Where did I get this? I don't know how I got that, but where did that come from? I'm going to remove this deck I had. We're going to share my screen to show you guys a little bit about who we are and what we do for those that are new. My whole world is so different with a small computer. Okay, our screen. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. All right, guys. So ultimately, in order for CloudTask to help you get a job, there are things that we need. And just FYI, you can join these classes, join these courses, join this community without working in the CloudTask marketplace. But in order to be in the CloudTask Boost program, which comes with some perks, which I'm going to tell you guys, you need to have a top-rated profile. Oh, my man, Tajay. Tajay is a 6+ year SDR expert, experience in working for lead generation agencies like SD Lab, Salesforce, Outreach, Apollo, Nooks, and he's a Nooks expert. So what we need, you can see that he has a top-rated badge. So in order to be in the CloudTask Boost program, and I can explain to you guys what the Boost program has, you're going to have a completed profile. You're going to have your work experience filled out. You're going to have as much details as possible, but work experience is a must, and a nice, awesome title is going to be great. You also need to create an awesome video. All right, guys. If you want to get hired through our marketplace, if you want us to get you paid, you're going to have a profile. If you want to hang out and learn and get a job elsewhere, you're welcome to do that. If you currently have a job and you want to learn, you're welcome to do that, right? But in order for us to get your job, you have to have a profile. What the CloudTask Boost program is, in essence, is how our marketplace works now is buyers will place job openings, right? They'll place job openings, buyers, all right, and filter. I need to log in. Let me log in quickly, guys, so I can show you guys some of this, some of these job openings, right? So what currently happens in our marketplace, buyers come in, they put job openings, right? Research list building. Right now, we have 99 job openings. US-based SDR for sales agency. You can see the salary range, right? Actively behind the scenes, taking your profile, showing it to the hiring person, screening out questions they want to know. Hey, does this person know the software? Do they know AI? And then we book your interview. But we're also here to help you with your interview. We're also here to help you after you get hired, do well at your job by building a community where you can ask questions, succeed. And what the Boost program is designed for is right now people are finding you on the marketplace, and our team, they're sharing your profile, which means our hiring approach is reactive. It's reacting to demand, meaning that you're there, someone finds you, or we show your profile, they interview, they hire you. Reactive is great. We got 20 people hired last month. Good job, David Manjura and Danny Agudelo. What the Boost program is designed for people that want to learn more and want to get hired faster. The Boost program comes with no charge. The reason why we don't charge for all our training, as you might know, for those that have signed up for our marketplace, is like most marketplaces, when companies hire you, they pay your salary through our marketplace, and we keep a small fee. So we're here to help train you, here to help skill you up, here to help you get promoted, but through our community and through our marketplace. We partner with AI technology. One of those technologies we partner with is a company called Amplemarket, based out of San Francisco, and a YC company. They're great. They're great because they are an AI-powered, I don't even know what to call it, GTM platform. So they have tons of data. They have tons of email contact number, and mobile phone number. So anybody who's in the Boost program get access to technologies. The first technology we give you access to is Amplemarket. We then give you Amplemarket. We then give you access to their university. Now, the amount of training and practice you want to do is ultimately up to you. But you could bet that the more you train, the more you practice, the more skills you have, the faster you'll get interviews, the faster you'll get hired, and ultimately faster you'll get your job. And this is really applicable towards a lot of different positions in our marketplace, not just sales and GTM. Just FYI, we're going to have 4 classes this year: a class in September, a class in October, a class in November, a class in December. Every week we focus on a subject. First, week 1 is going to be focused on sales. Week 2 is going to be focused on customer success. Week 3 is RevOps. Week 4 is support. Yes, it does apply to customer roles. It applies to all roles. Frankly, we're doing a few different things. We're going to allow top-rated sellers to have 3 different listings. So if you are a person who has sales, customer success, and support experience, you can make 3 different listings, 3 different titles, 3 different salary requests. Because we live in a world where a lot of awesome talent has experience in 3 different verticals. Some people, I just want marketing. Some people, I just want GTM. Some people, I'm open for an SDR role, customer success, or support. I've done them all. That's okay. So yes, we're going to have customer support roles. And to the LinkedIn user, Rodrigo, it definitely applies to every role. Not only does it apply to every role, but AI and technology, faster, cheaper, more efficient. So what does that mean? It means people that are doing customer support, well, you know what Salesforce just did? Salesforce just laid off 4,000 customer support people, right? Why? Because they're putting agents and they're putting new customer support people that know how to do agents. So in our marketplace, if you don't have AI skills, you can still get hired. There are a lot of companies that are not adopting AI technology fast. So we're not forcing customers or forcing candidates to have an AI experience and to use AI technology. But we highly recommend it. We're going to be showing you what people are using. We're going to be teaching you what you can earn with these AI talents. We're going to teach you what's coming next so you guys can be prepared. So you're going to get Amplemarket and you're going to get the experience with Amplemarket. Now, the Boost program is allowing us to promote you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to invite you to Amplemarket. We're going to train you on Amplemarket. And we're going to promote you with Amplemarket. So what does that mean? That means that while you're getting trained, while you're interviewing on multiple platforms, remember guys, this program is not designed to say, hey, once you're with our Boost program, you got to get a job with CloudTask. It's not true. It's not how we're working. We're going to be adding value. The people who get jobs through our marketplace are going to take jobs because they see the value, they're happy, and they want to be here. We've seen it all. We've seen people get hired elsewhere, come back. We've seen people get hired here. We're going to be here continuously getting good jobs, and your choice, it's basically how much you want to be in here. So I'm going to pull up my man, Freddie. So when we're in the Boost program, we're going to actually be using your email and your LinkedIn to promote you. So you're going to be emailing leaders, CEOs, hiring companies, and you're going to say, hey, my name is Freddie. I have been an SDR for VoIP and UCaaS for 5 years plus experience, especially from VoIP. I was wondering if you or any colleagues were currently hiring. Here's my full video. So we're going to proactively leverage your new skills, your new training. You can see here how it says 7+ years sales development. And in this title, it says Amplemarket AI expert. By using these tools, you become an AI expert. You just do. You use ChatGPT every day, you're an AI expert. Well, you're not going to be, getting a $100 million offer from Mark Zuckerberg, right? But there's obviously different levels of AI experts, right? And that's up to you. Where your expertise goes up to Mark Zuckerberg level, you put $5 million here. We're happy for that, right? So we're going to do this to proactively promote you guys, right? Of course, on LinkedIn, it's all manual, guys. There's no automation. There's no breaking any rules and terms and conditions here. So you're going to have a step-by-step where you're going to go in and you're going to social sell. Another thing we're going to do in this program is we're going to improve your LinkedIn profile. What does that mean? I'm going to pull up my man, David Manjura. On this call right now, guys, with me is a guy named David Gomez. He's our director of marketing. He's awesome. He's going to help you guys take your profile. It's going to include an awesome banner. We're going to help you write an amazing title. We're going to help you write an awesome about me. And this is the best part about it. We're going to help you write articles like David. See, here's David. He's promoting top candidates. David over there. Oh, my man David promoting. And what we're going to do is we're also going to help you publish content. Because this day and age, when you go to get hired, they want to see that you have a beautiful LinkedIn profile. They want to see that you're posting every day. And you guys might not have the time to post every day. But when you're in the Boost program, oh, look, Core Foundation's awesome. I'm going to give this a repost, David. Hope you don't mind. You're going to be posting every day so that when your actual future employer goes to interview you, they're going to see an amazing profile. They're going to see all your daily activity. This is going to make you more marketable. Everything we do here is going to be tied to how I interview, because you're going to tell people, I learned how to make email warming a success, how many emails to send a day, how to write sales sequences, how to do social selling, how to do triggers. We're going to teach you guys the core basics and some advanced stuff, because this class right here is going to be 3 nights a week, but we're going to have a WhatsApp community. We can talk 24/7 about sales, guys. We can talk about this all day long. It's all I do. Like, that's all David does, right? So in order to get into the Boost program, you have to be top rated and you have to have a profile. I'm going to pause now and I'm going to drop the actual application for the Boost program. All right. And then you guys are going to apply. And then we're going to set it up for you guys. So as these courses go on, we're going to start to be able to review the results. And by results, we're going to start to be able to see people saying, hey, you know what? I'm interested in interviewing you. You know what? I could use a talent like you, right? And that's going to start pouring in, guys. So what I'm going to do right now, quickly, I'm 2 clicks away. Forms. Where's my form? There's my form. I got my form, guys. Yay. I just posted a comment. So if you guys look at the comments, that is an Asana link with the CloudTask Boost program. So I do recommend that you guys sign up ASAP. For those of you that have been in the Boost program, we actually did a soft launch with about 30 people. 15 of those people got hired. Freddie was one of those guys that got hired. We didn't give it the right attention. CloudTask as a marketplace also offers services. Excuse me, where's my services? Oh, I'm in my buyer side. Hold on, let me get out of here. Software and services. We made a decision as a company to fully focus on the candidates, build your team, grow your services. And we've decided that all of our services and softwares are going to be designed after you guys get hired to support client success, which means this program is going to get a lot of attention and it's going to get a lot of attention, and it's going to get a lot of support. I'm going to be 5 hours a week, guys, on this live camera, just yapping around, right? Another thing, which is awesome, I'm actually here in San Francisco right now. And I'm in the office with a gentleman named Mavlon Bank. I always pronounce his name wrong. He's an awesome CEO who's 29 years old and runs a AI-powered dialing system. He's been kind enough to support our community by giving free access to 5 people that apply to our program. And what we're going to do is we're going to give you data, and we're going to get you cold calling to get your job live, and we're going to make some content to show people what you can do when you get 10x dialers. So what we have now is we also have partners like Salesfinity that are here to give you guys access to the tools for free in exchange for using it and hopefully bringing it to the company you get hired. I'm going to be honest. We want you to bring it to the company. We want you to be so good at calling with Salesfinity that when you go on an interview, you're like, hey, Mir, I'm going to get hired by your company. You're going to get me Salesfinity. I'm going to get some data from SalesBot or Amplemarket, and we're going to crush it, right? We've also built partnerships with companies like Futurepedia, where we have amazing discounts and access to free courses on AI. So the Boost program, just to recall, is going to come with access to Amplemarket, access to university, certification. We're going to pimp out your LinkedIn. We're going to help you write articles. We're going to post every day. You might get hired before anything. You might get hired before you ever talk to somebody through Boost. That's fine. But we're definitely going to ramp up that activity. And then on top of it, all of the amazing software partners that we work with are going to come onto these calls. They're going to teach you best practices. They're going to give you access to the tools. You're going to put it in your title, and you're going to help companies hire highly talented remote talent and the AI innovation that they need. Futurepedia has so many courses, guys. I'm like, I don't know all these courses. I would lie if I told you. But I do know that the demand for GTM engineers with Clay, GTM with DataBar, HubSpot email marketing, the demand is endless, guys. It just is. We don't care if you went to college. Record this, guys. Sue me. I don't care if you go to college. I care about the business challenges you can solve for the companies that are going to hire you through our marketplace. We are a marketplace that is focused on full-time jobs and indefinite part-time, meaning not 20 hours or 2 months. 40 hours a week are 90% of our jobs. We get some that are 20 and some that are 10. All right. So if you're in the United States and you're looking for a full-time remote job, or you want a weekend job or a night job, come to us. We are a global marketplace with a focus in the United States and Latin America, guys. That does not mean that if you're in Egypt and you're a GTM expert, you can't get hired. Shout out to my man Islam. He got hired last week. He's in Egypt. This is where a lot of our demand is. Of course, with Boost and with your skills, you're going to create more demand. Any questions? Because I can yap forever, but I want to make sure that I'm answering some questions to you guys. I already answered this one. The Boost does come with support roles, and you have a top rated. You need to message me now who you are. Well, email me, awriter@cloudtest.com, or message me right now, right? Yes, David, you will use Salesfinity automation. Talk to me, guys. Questions, comments, concerns. It's Labor Day. I'm hot, I'm sweating. I'm in this little WeWork booth here in San Fran. Got a nice view. See outside. I'll let you go if you don't have any questions. Question number 1, 2, or 3. You guys got 10 seconds. Nada. I got a question. Oh my God, he's got that. What are the top 5 tools candidates you use to get started as an engineer? Great question. ChatGPT is the core for everything. You can ask that tool, how should I use this? How should I use that? I would say Clay, DataBar, Salesfinity, and Amplemarket. But there are so many that don't hold me to it. Those are like my favorite right now. That might change tomorrow. I don't know. But definitely ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT, Grok, use Perplexity, use all of the LLMs, and then experiment with these tools. I think Clay has a great community, right? So I think my biggest advice, David, is find software companies that have communities, because the communities are in Slack. Everyone's there to help you, right? So like if you're getting help from us, you're getting help from the software company, you're going to succeed at your job. And then when you talk to your manager, your boss, you're going to tell them how you're practicing and training every day on their own. They're going to be very impressed. Any last questions? Comments? Concerns? Is that it for me? Do I get to finish my Chipotle drink and network outside? I think I will. So everybody, this is a 24/7 thing for me. When you're in this WhatsApp group that we have, and I'm going to share the link right now, you can message me 24/7. Will I answer 24/7? I don't know. I haven't built that bot yet, but once I learn how Justin Michael did it from his own community, then I'll let you guys know. Inside joke for anybody who's in the Fight Club and knows Justin Michael. He has an awesome book called The Frame with Johnny Stacker, and another book called The Alpha Method. He loves when you give him a shout out to his book. It just makes him happy. So I'm gonna give him a shout out for his book. So guys, here is the link for the WhatsApp chat, because this is a 24/7 thing, guys. I'm going to be here 3 nights a week. Sometimes I'm going to be here for 10 minutes. Sometimes I'm going to be here for 2 hours. As long as you guys are getting hired, you got my time. Oh, come on, link. No links to display. Overview. Media members. There you go. Copy the link. All right. Before I go, let me know if that link shows, guys. I put in the chat. That's the link for the CloudTask Boost WhatsApp chat. You get me 24/7. I join it. But in order to get accepted, you have to share me your LinkedIn profile, your CloudTask profile. If you don't share me your CloudTask profile, I ain't letting you in. David's not letting you in. But if you do, and you're top rated, we'll let you in. What else, guys? Mr. Manjura, anything else? I don't work 40 hours a day. I work 18 tops. That's like really 12. All right, guys. I'm going to let you go, but you're going to communicate with me. I'm going to talk to you guys every day, and I'm going to make sure that we build a huge, ridiculous community where we not only get you hired, we get your back with any kind of obstacle you have. The smarter you guys are, the smarter we are. So we're in this together. And I appreciate everybody taking the time on Labor Day. If you're American, if you're not American, then this is just another Monday. And I appreciate you guys more than you think. You should avoid being a victim, David. Everybody here has the opportunity to go from nothing to CEO. So avoid self-limiting thoughts. Cheers to you guys. Looking forward to getting everybody hired, skilled up, and continuously learning.